wanted to inflate a ball, but I inflated my wife's chest. Christy, how many times have I asked you not to take my stuff without asking first? Why is my top all dirty? Again! Blah, blah, blah. Girls, I have a surprise for you. We are going on a vacation. Yay! So we made up. I'm ready for a luxurious vacay. Christy, why do you look like that? You wish. Let's go, girls! Here we are. Get out! Another day in paradise. What? Where am I? I'm coming! Sweetheart, why is your suitcase so heavy? It's like it's full of rocks. No. There are a few pairs of shoes, dresses, and a makeup bag. This one? Can you carry it? Coat a clean paving slab with a few layers of black acrylic paint. Apply a layer of glossy polish on top. Attach a printed picture of a makeup palette and a brand name. I got it! I'll be back! No rush, or you'll ruin such a great surprise! This makeup bag is pretty solid. Christy, you and your tricks again! Can you at least carry the hat? Stupid hat! Yay! This is for all of us! Whoa! Awesome! A real tent! A couch and chairs! How nice! Honey, we're here! Isn't it amazing? And here they are. I won't let my stepmom ruin my vacation. What? This is a nightmare! Where's the resort? Where's the pool? How terrible! I'm sure our vacation will be great. I don't like anything here. I'll be in the tent and I won't leave until the very end of the vacation. I hope you get eaten by mosquitoes. What is she doing? Calm down, Dad. I'll take care of it. Hey! What? Take these flip-flops. You'll be comfier. Thanks! Fasten double-sided tape to a flip-flop. Cover the whole surface of the insole. Remove the protective layer. The girls made up. How nice! I can't take the flip-flops off. How come? Christy! Watch out! Lemonade, check. Ice, check. Now I can relax. Oh, Christy is fast asleep. I'm gonna teach her a lesson right now. I'll put ice in her shoes. That'll make her chill out. So that's what you're doing. Oh, she's waking up. I'm just sleeping here. So you put some ice? I think lemonade with ice is gonna be much better. Have a nice vacation. Christy's gone. Go, go. Some cold lemonade. Where's the ice? Oh no! Phew, it's so hot today. Christy, you shouldn't be sitting in the sun without headgear. Put on this hat right now. You'll see right away it's way better. I won't bother you anymore. Bye. Make holes in a wide-brimmed hat. Make a few holes at the base. And now it's gonna feel even better. I'll add some ice to cool you off, since you are so hot-tempered. Phew, why am I so sweaty? The hat is supposed to protect me from the heat. This is the worst. I'm dripping. What's wrong with this hat? Hey, my stepmom pranked me again. Well, watch out. While my stepmom is distracted, I'm gonna give her a VIP towel, like this. She'll definitely love it. Make stains on a towel using henna. Apply a pattern with a sponge so it looks like a giraffe. This couch is so cozy. Phew! It feels so nice to relax on a hot day. Oh, what's over there? I'll go take a look. Oh, my legs! What's wrong with them? La la la. The water is almost warm. La la. I think you don't need this dress anymore. My dress? Where is it? That annoying girl again! Where's the biggest leaf? Christy, where are my clothes? Give them back right now! I'm not going to wear leaves this whole time! Just a little bit more and the food will be ready. What a nice fire! Babe, what are you doing? I'm barbecuing for you. Oh, I have to take this call. Hello? Yeah! Honey, watch the fire. I'll try. What are you doing? Girls, are you okay? Yeah, it's fine. Oh, what's that? Empty a bottle of starter fluid. Add food coloring to water. Pour it in the bottle. Fire starter! That's what I need! What? Oh no! The fire went out! How come? I'm so sorry, but there is nothing I can do. Phew! It worked! And it smells so nice! What a nice fire! Good job! I did my best! And here are the steaks. Someone's calling again. Hello? What? Am I supposed to cook now? I think it's ready. Let's see how it turned out. Smells amazing. I hope it tastes as good. Let me put it on plates. Great! You should taste the steak I cooked with my special recipe instead. Shape light clay into a steak. Press in grill strips with a modeling tool. Color with acrylic paint. Coat with glossy polish. Honey, you did a great job! Yeah, it's cooked with love. Enjoy, sweetheart! I'm starving! Honey, what happened to my steak? What's wrong with it? Look! I don't know. Maybe you want some wine instead? Honey, let me fix it. I'm gonna cook you a delicious dinner. Wait a few minutes. Looking forward to it. Here I am with yummy dinner. Italian pasta. Thanks. It's looking great. And you came up with the idea so fast. Yeah, I'm smart. This pasta could do with some spice. A few worms will make it better. Microwave chewing gum. Add food coloring. Shape a worm. Make a few pieces. What is this annoying kid doing? Oh no! Take this away! I'm starving! Hang on, but you put so much work into it. Let me try it too. Well, I don't mind. And now you try it. Well? And I'm gonna take this away. This is unbearable. Can I eat yet? Finally! Home sweet home! Phew! Vacations are tiring! Honey, isn't it time to take these flip-flops off? You try! I did, and it didn't work! Let me help! Just be careful! And 1! Christy! Explain to me why you think you can disrespect our office dress code. This is absolutely unacceptable. Did you like our characters? Then comment below and tell us what you like the most. A giraffe towel, a clay steak, edible worms, or flip-flops with tape? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so you don't miss new hilarious videos from Troom.